Nuoc cham, or Vietnamese fish dipping sauce, is a delicious and easy-to-make sauce that can be made with fish to add sweet and sour flavors to any dish. However, it can be a bit complicated to prepare if you don't know the basics. Welcome to Tasty Food for You, and today we'll present you with how to prepare a delicious Vietnamese fish sauce. Your friends and family will definitely thank you for learning how to make it. Make sure to stay until the end of our video to learn the best tricks on how to make this wonderful sauce, and also subscribe to our channel for more great content like today. Without further ado, let's begin with our countdown. Nuoc cham is a Vietnamese dipping sauce that is made from a blend of fish sauce, water, sugar, and citrus. If you've ever visited a Vietnamese food restaurant, you'll probably know that the little bowls that come with your spring rolls and grilled meats have a fantastic taste. That's because these are nuoc cham or nuoc mam, a special, secret Vietnamese dipping sauce that can be made with fish sauce and other ingredients. It usually has a refreshing, garlicky taste that seems to perfectly balance sweet, sour, and salty flavors all in one. There are different flavors to nuoc cham, as some people like it sourer, while others like it sweet. But the recipe stays mostly the same in all cases. You can tweak its flavor by adjusting the amount of fish sauce, sugar, or lime juice present in it. Most ingredients can be found at a local grocery store, and if you have trouble finding the fish sauce, check out an Asian grocery store. When making this sauce, it's better to use fresh lime juice, as some restaurants use vinegar to replace the sour flavor. However, if you're out of limes at home, feel free to use white vinegar or rice vinegar for the flavor. The first thing you should do is cut some garlic pieces and soak them into lime juice for around 15 minutes before combining the other ingredients to make the sauce. However, if you want to keep your sauce garlicky and powerful, there is no need to do this beforehand. Start by mixing water with sugar and lime or lemon. You can also use hot water instead to better dissolve the sugar granules in it. If it's not sour enough, add some more citrus. The flavor and acidity of lemon or limes can vary from fruit to fruit, so adjust it to taste. Slowly add the fish sauce in increments while also mixing the sauce. Taste it constantly to understand its acidity levels and adjust it as you desire. If you're feeling fancy, you can also add some chopped chilies or finely chopped garlic to the sauce, which adds some spicy flavor and curbs down the garlic taste. The sauce is best used fresh, and you definitely shouldn't store it for more than a week or two. If you used vinegar, it can be stored for around 2 months, as long as it's stored in an airtight jar. You'll usually find a bowl of the sauce next to foods like cha diao, egg rolls, spring rolls, or summer rolls, ban xiao. You can also add it to vermicelli bowls with fresh veggies, bánh cuốn, and any type of grilled meat. Egg rolls are a classic pair with nuoc cham, and the rice salad wouldn't be sad to have it as an extra dressing. Serve it up for dripping with grilled chicken, and you could even add it to the chicken's marinade. With nuoc cham, the sky's the limit, so be creative and use your imagination for its different styles. So, what do you think of nuoc cham? Will you be using it soon for your next batch of spring rolls or Vietnamese cuisine? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to leave us a like, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on for more tasty recipes like today. We hope you enjoyed our video, and we'll see you next time.